And welcome into this new video. Today we are making some yummy, fluffy, high protein superfood gummies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start. My name is Mistra. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and on my YouTube channel I only share everybody's favorite recipe, but I made them in a healthier way to help people lose fat, build muscles, and overcome any kind of cravings. I also have my coaching program, my ebooks available. Everything is on the link below. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then now it's time to start our high protein gummies recipe. Quite easy and simple recipe. We only need 3 ingredients, which is grass-fed gelatin powder, berries of your choice. I will use blueberries, and 1 cup of water. That's it. And everything goes in the fridge, so you don't even have to cook them. So here is the gelatin that I'm gonna be using. I got it on Amazon, so I will put the link below. This is not a partner, I buy it with my own money. So get yourself some gelatin for me. This is the best quality. So link in the bio. This is not a partner. I'm not affiliated with that brand. This is the one that I use. For this recipe, we need boiled water. So in my stove on the pan, I put 1 large cup of water. Then I'm gonna let it boiled, and we will be able to start the recipe. So in my blender, I'm having 3 big scoops of gelatin powder, and then 1 large cup of blueberries. I'm using frozen blueberries, but you can use any kind of berries or any kind of fruit you want. And then when my water is done boiling, I will add my water in the gelatin and the blueberries in my blender. But if you want something a bit sweeter, you can also add some honey or maple syrup if you want something sweet. Now it's time to blend everything, so I just blend that in my blender. So when it's done blending, this is how it's supposed to look like. It's quite smooth, liquidy, just like this, like a smoothie. So I'm gonna take a glass container and I'm just gonna pour the mixture inside. Time to flatten everything. So I'm gonna make sure that I flatten the mixture well in my glass container. I really want that to be flat and homogeneous. It's like everywhere equal, so I really take my time for this part. And then it's going in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to firm. This is how it looks like. So now you go in the fridge to get more firm. And I just remove it from the fridge. Now it's time to cut it. I'm gonna cut it into square shape, but you can do any kind of shape you want, but the square shape is the easiest shape to do. And that's it. They will be ready to enjoy. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Who doesn't like gummies? So I hope you guys gonna get your gelatin and go make some gummies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Everything's gonna be on the description box below. You get my link and all my ebooks. If you need coachings, I'm here to help. I'm not gonna talk more than that. I hope to see you guys again for more video recipes. I'm gonna end up here. Bye.